Hey there, everybody. Today is Friday, December 5th. Can you believe it? I mean, we are this close to Christmas and New Year's already. Unbelievable. All right, let's get into these stats. This is SIMI Valley, I'm sorry, Conejo Valley, SIMI Valley, and Moorpark. So here we go. Coming soons, we have three new listings, 36. Price change, 63. Back on market, 13. Active under contract, 36. Pending, 29. Closed, 44. Expired, 19. Canceled, 18. Hold, 3. And withdrawn, 8. All right, the numbers that we like to compare, folks, are the properties that are coming onto the market or coming back onto the market and coming back onto the market versus what is going under contract or has expired, canceled, hold, or withdrew, which means those came off the market because what we've been noticing is inventory over the last month has been shrinking and shrinking at a quite dramatic rate. So let's add these up. So we have the coming soons at 3, the new listings at 36, and the back on market at 13. And that total is 52. So we have 52 properties that have either just come on the market or coming to the market or are back on the market. All right, we like to compare those to the active under contract. These are the sellers that have just accepted an offer from a buyer. That buyer is now doing their inspections and investigations on that property. We compare that also with the expireds. This means the listing has expired. It's coming off of the MLS. Canceled, 18. The seller decided to cancel. They couldn't get their home sold. The holds, 3. There's multiple reasons why somebody might go on hold, but you can no longer view that home while it's on hold. And withdrawn, 8. Again, a withdrawn is very similar to a cancel. It's almost like the phase right before they cancel. So they withdrawn their house for whatever reason. Maybe it didn't sell. Maybe somebody got sick. Who knows? All right. So at any rate, the number of homes that have come off the market is 84. So we have 84 that have come off. We have 52 that have come on. That is a difference of 32 homes, folks. 32 homes that the inventory has shrunk. All right. So let's take a look at the interest rates. They're not bad right now. It shows red arrows going up. Last week it was 6.22. Today it's 6.24 for the 30-year fixed. It's really not bad. It means you can get a 5.99 almost anywhere. 15-year fixed is at 5.76. The 30-year jumbo is at 6.39. The 7 and 6 SOFR arm is at 5.82. The 30-year FHA is at 5.86. And the 30-year VA is at 5.87. All right, so the long and the short of it is inventory is shrinking. Rates are fairly attractive right now, guys. If you can get rates in the fives, then you can buy it down and you could be in the mid fives. All right, that's really not bad, especially for a lot of folks out there who are sitting in a home they don't like. If they want to move up or they move down, and they've got a rate right now in the fours or fives, it's really not that bad in terms of interest rates. Buyers, inventory is shrinking. There was two markets, right? We have a price war beauty contest going on where you need to be, if you're selling, you need to be priced in the bottom 10% of all of your competitors, but your condition has to be in the top 10%. Price war, beauty contest. But that inventory is shrinking because a lot of these sellers that did not have a realistic price and they didn't have a realistic strategy on how to get sold, they're taking their homes off the market. So some of these opportunities that might not have even been legitimate, good opportunities to begin with, but at any rate, they're coming off the market. The inventory is shrinking back. If this continues this way till March, when the selling season starts, we could be very well in this low inventory market again with multiple offers. We'll have to wait and see. But as you remember, back in February in the Conejo Valley, there were 220 homes for sale in the beginning of February. By the end of February, there was 600 homes for sale. So things can change very quick. That was 4 weeks where inventory tripled. All right, it just exploded. So it's a very rapidly changing market with all the stuff in the technology and all the news that flies around so fast these days. So at any rate, I would love to hear your plans for 2026. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I am Josh Brenner with Compass right here in Westlake Village, California. Thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, get some exercise today, everybody. Have a great day. Bye bye.